Welcome, in this video I'm gonna show you how to craft the item in Dune Awakening. So to open the craft menu you have to press B, and here you have opened the crafting table. Here you have a schematic that you want to use and required resources. As you can see, we need 3 salvage metals, so I do have. I'm gonna craft once or craft max available items, but I'm gonna craft only one. The process is complete in few seconds, and now as you can see crafting is completed, so I have this knife in my inventory and it's automatically here. So that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye.